What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In this video I want to show you how to solve this trigonometric equation, which is cosecant theta plus 2 times tan theta minus 1 equals to 0, and we need to solve it for theta between 0 and 2 pi. So we have two answers, two parts here. So we have cosecant theta plus 2 equals to 0 or tan theta minus 1 equals to 0. So when we have cosecant theta plus 2 equals to 0, it means that cosecant theta equals to negative 2, and cosecant is the inverse of sine equals to negative 2, so it means that sine theta equals to negative half. The other one is tan theta equals to positive 1. So now I need to solve these two. I have case 1 when sine theta equals to negative half. We had it earlier. We know sine pi over 6 is 1/2, and using the cast rule we can say that sine is negative in quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. So one answer is going to be pi plus pi over 6, and one answer is going to be 2 pi minus pi over 6. So pi plus pi over 6, and the other one 2 pi minus pi over 6. That's going to be 7 pi over 6, and here is going to be 11 pi over 6. So these are the two answers for the first case. The second case will be tan theta equals to 1. Tan is positive in quadrant 1 and quadrant 3 based on the cast rule. CAST, all and tan is positive, and we know tan pi over 4 is 1 pi over 4, so we have pi over 4 in here as well. So we have pi over 4 and also pi plus pi over 4. So pi plus pi over 4 will be 5 pi over 4. So we have four answers. We have pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 7 pi over 6, 11 pi over 6. These are the four answers. If you want, you can write in terms of degrees as well. 45 degrees, 225 degrees, 210 degrees, and 330 degrees. So these are the four answers to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related playlists in the description in case you need extra help. Please like this video if you found it useful, and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.